This is my third time, well, this is a test roll. This is my fourth time recording this. Because I keep having to sign into stuff and I don't want you to see my password, and I also don't want to edit anything. Part of this is I have to start all the way over. Thanks for the reminder. That's just normal latency. Okay. So, hi, I'm Drew. I live in the Midwest. I live in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's like debatable on whether it's Midwest or South. I'm saying Midwest because it definitely doesn't give Southern polite cowboy. It just gives this is a Midwest town. Well, it's less racist than Midwest towns, let's be honest. So, this is where a Midwest boy learns how to code. That's literally all I'm doing. I'm going to have a StreamBeats album playing. It's just going to be sitting right there. It's never going to leave because I am wonderful. Can I set it so that the mini player stays on the tippy top? Settings? This is the last time I'm going to try to record this before I just don't tonight and comment and say I'm proud of myself for attempting. Keep mini player on top. Yes. Excuse me. So, gonna have a StreamBeats album playing. It's gonna be this one today. I think that will change probably every video we're gonna get a different one. Gonna put this down so it stops tripping me out. I just need to remember that people can see me. That's what you're here for. I want to learn how to code, so we're going to learn how to code. I've already looked up great Python projects because I know a little bit of Python. We're going to use Notion to track because everyone has access to Notion. Every single person. Notion can access the microphone, but I don't know why it wants the microphone. That didn't mess up anything here, right? No, it did not. This needs to be slightly lower. My original plan was to code for an hour. Then I didn't get home until 9. Still had to shower and make dinner, so 9:30. Started setting all this up, and I said, you know what, if I'm not starting until 9:30, I'm going to count the setup as part of the hour. It's now 11. I have done nothing code related except get everything set up and open. So we're proud of myself. I have a functioning setup and I'm successfully recording videos, and they're not like 5 minutes is half a gigabyte. That's about what I expected. So very happy about that. If we absolutely despise having this in this format, like in this widescreen, tell me and I'll figure something out. My goal is to just not edit anything. I'm going to record it. I'm going to make sure that I didn't put anything really dumb in it, which I've now triple checked my desk and there's nothing illegal on it. I don't know about this letter. I'm just going to put it over here. Maybe. Yes, successfully. Shouldn't be anything bad on here. Not that I do anything bad, but like I don't want you to see my social security number. My room is currently a mess. I edit videos for a living. This is not a representation of the videos I edit. I just want everyone to know that, be on the same page. This is I had some junk in a drawer and I threw together a quick recording setup a year ago, and I'm probably moving out of this house in May, very likely. And when I do move, I will put more thought into the recording setup and it will look a lot nicer. I might even own an actual camera. I use the cameras at the school I work for. The only other video on this channel I recorded my senior year. I think it's the only other one. I recorded it my senior year, and it's great. It's wonderful. I have improved since I made that video, and I thought that video was great when I made it, and now I make things that I think are great, and I hope to look back on things that I think are great now and say, oh wow, I could have done better. Yeah. 11:05. I'm also thinking about the fact that I wake up at 6:15. So this will be interesting for everyone involved. We have our friend Reddit here. We love Reddit. Reddit is wonderful. I need to get a different Reddit account for the email that is not locked down with the settings that keep me safe from myself. Sounds really concerning. You might never hear about what that means. Why are there so many pinned tabs? Anyway, Gemini. We're going to be using Gemini. Just so you know, I am not above using AI to help with things. It will likely be I plug it in and I say, please explain the problem. And then we all learn and see what happens. We're also going to probably learn how untrustworthy AI is, just because we'll be using it. So this is a learning experience for me. I don't care what you do with this. I don't really care if you watch the whole thing. I'm just doing this because I want to learn how to code. And the future intros to these videos will be much, much shorter. I have no idea how long I've been talking for. Oh God. That's 6 minutes. I talk a lot. But, okay. Focus, child. We're setting everything up today. So, my goals is actually to just have a... This is what we're doing. What does this do? This is subtasks and statusy. Okay, so we're going to, this is the project planner. It has deadlines. I'm going to use Notion to keep track of our stuff, obviously. Work. Is there a video? Is there a thing for what I want? View all. Do projects and tasks. Back to marketplace. View all. Content calendar. My calendar will be, I'm going to upload a video. I will look and see what this is. Content calendar. So here's projects and tasks. I'm the only one who works here. Apparently I can't do that. Content calendar. This I might actually use. Since that is too complicated for my brain. Well, I see the why. I see the why. Deliverables, campaigns. Okay, not using this either. Widget trash. There's going to be so much stuff that we just try and we're never going to use. So, new page. Brain just stopped working. We need a database. Projects, tasks, document on brainstorms, notes. What's the difference? Okay. Effort level, description. What about projects? Don't need a signee. Can we use Gantt? I don't know. Tasks tracker, by status. Tasks. Okay. We're gonna go with the projects. Or goals. Sounds like it is nothing except a language difference, honestly. So, okay, we're gonna say tasks, so I can stop thinking about it. Effort level, I'll keep that so I can plan task type priority. Past, no due dates, no summaries. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna do that. This is going to be learning code stuff. There we go. Select, select, select. Goodbye. So, task number 1, plan projects. Can I do subtasks? Do I need to do subtasks? I do need to do subtasks. I know that we need to do subtasks because those are very useful. Turn on subtasks. Okay, we'll not need them now, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to say project 1, which will be one video. I'll probably separate it by like what I plan on working on in a day. And then we're going to drop it down and say learn thing 1, learn thing 2. So that's how we're going to do that. Plan projects, set up video, setup. Cool. Status, we're working on it. Assignee, we don't. I'm one dude. This is shared with nobody. At least go away. Due date, we don't mess with due dates. What else do I not need? Don't need due date. Type we'll keep, description we'll keep, updated at we'll keep, effort level we'll keep. Okay. Gonna do year, month, day. In my head, everything works year, month, day. Most people do month, day, year. In my head, it's year, month, day. Gonna stick with my head. 12-hour time. We don't need time. We just need day. Okay. Now that can get smaller. So I would like it to say the whole title, please. Thank you. Effort level. Setup, video setup. Small amount of time. Plan future projects. In progress. This is actually done. I'm gonna call this medium assignment. I'm gonna take a bite of food. I'm not gonna make you hear that. To be so honest, I'm finishing this because I already paid for it, not because I want it. This is how life is sometimes. wanted to go ahead and just wash the dishes, because then you don't have them piling up in the sink. They are currently piled up in the sink. I just didn't want to add to it. Gonna try not to make any gross body noises into the mic. Music is here because I'm every now and then gonna step away to do something, and that's just gonna be how it is. So you get music. Don't need a tour. So I set up the video setup, planning future projects. Things I've already done. Everything here is set up on this network here. Now, because this network here is hosted by a Raspberry Pi, it has a cap of 100 megabytes per second. I have another router that I think does faster than that, but I don't know, it's really old. My plan, again, when I move, everything's going to get better. My plan, the reason I have this is because I can't plug into the, it's just not in a spot where I can plug into the router in the living room, and I have a behemoth of a PC. Is she on? No, she's not. Who's going to be replaced at some point, and then this will probably just be probably a media server was what I can turn her into if I wanted to keep her around. Most of those can go away. But she doesn't have Wi-Fi capability, so gaming was really hard with people. It works kind of now. I can play Lethal Company. Lethal Company is a pretty great game, but it's convoluted setup. Desk over here has a switch on it. My laptop was plugged into the switch more to access that network. I still have Wi-Fi as the first priority for my internet connection, because it's just faster. So there's a switch over here, has my behemoth and my Mac, and I had a really old Mac that a coworker gave me that was going to be over here, and it was going to be my Linux machine that I was going to run all my other services on, like my Rust Desk server. We'll talk a little bit about Rust Desk. That's the thing I want to set up. Desk. I guess as I talk through these projects, I will priority. I guess as we talk through these, I'm gonna end up showing off my project management skills as well as what? What else? Project management skills as well as what I need to do. So I'm just going to keep talking through this because this is fun. Rust Desk server, got more documentation over here, and Obsidian. I kind of want to learn Obsidian, but what is this? Classroom, Docker. Yeah, we're gonna, that has IP addresses on it. Need to remember not to put IP addresses in here. Like put local addresses, but no public addresses. I don't think I have any public addresses in here actually, so that's fine. Here's some goals. Goals for my little home lab. Build cool shit like a Minecraft server. I don't know, still figuring it out. Here's my, I'm glad I found this actually, thank you God. Discord chatbot. I don't know what Redis is, someone said it was good. I want to build a NAS, or like I think it's called Alexandria's Library. Library of Alexandria. I want to build one of those. I don't think the internet is going to collapse in the next decade, but I do think it's going to eventually, which is tragic. But also maybe good. I think that might be a good thing. We're already seeing now that there's a lot of already seeing that there's a lot of AI generated answers, a lot of AI generated content. The thing about AI is it's not actually intelligent. It only knows what it's given. Every computer ever only knows what it's given. There's maybe a chance that it could think if it had human brains to work with. I don't personally plan on giving any of my machines a human brain. So that's not going to happen in my house, but other people, I wouldn't put it past them. So, AI can only work with what it's given, and eventually we're going to end up with so much AI-generated content, it's feeding on its own input, which will just lock us in this steady spot, and that will I think that'll do a pretty good job of separating the AI work from the human work. The issue will be keeping the human work away from the AI work. So, there's a thought about that. In making this video, I'm giving AI plenty of content to replicate me as like a human construct. Don't know how I feel about that. Job application tracker. That's so smart. I never saw this. I don't know why this is here. This is just a template. I don't know who Emma is. I need to do these things. But learning coding stuff has to be called coding. That's fine. So, Rust Desk Server. Back to Obsidian. I am so scatterbrained. That's another thing we're going to work on, is just picking a topic and sticking to it. So, personal LLM. I don't think I have the computing power to have one of those to the level I want it. Self-hosted VPN. Chat machine, like Discord or Slack. Host my own creative website so I don't have to pay Squarespace $200 a year to host it for me. That's probably going to happen. Figure out services. I never learned to type. I was homeschooled. It was not considered a priority. What was considered a priority was that I read books and learn how to handwrite. I can read and I can handwrite. I'm not fast or good at either. I'm good at reading. I just have to care. So here's some stuff. We're already stacking up just by talking through what I've already done. I installed, don't remember what it's called. I installed OpenWRT on a little Raspberry Pi, which now sits on that side of the room. There's just a big long wire that goes around the room that connects it. The reason why is because this room is very small. I think a lot of bedrooms are 10 by 12, and this is 8 by 12, something. It makes a difference. I don't, like, you can see the amount, I think you can see the amount of extra space I have to roam, especially since I have a bunch of stuff just piled in that corner. So, over there is also an old Dell Optiplex, which I haven't turned on yet because I know that it's already got stuff on it, and I bought it for $30 off Facebook Marketplace. Forgot to ask for a power cord. That was funny. Power cord probably costed... No, it's not that cheap, but power cord was a decent percentage of the price of the computer because the computer was $30. I've also got a old trash can Mac that my coworker gave me. He has another one of those that's reasonably powerful. I actually have that right here. This is why I wanted to set up a local network that was wired so I could just click, click, click. It actually may not be on. It might not be. It is not on. That's really tragic that I was going to be like, yes, it's right here. It's not on. It's on. Yeah, there should be. Yeah, so the goal is just an offline, a computer that's not really associated with me on the internet at all. It's a little older. The goal is to get a second one of these and install Linux on it. Then I have a Linux machine, so I can learn how to use Linux machines. But my coworker has not brought that one to me yet. I just typed correctly, figure out how to do this. Rust desk server, I put that in low priority because I don't have a lot of computers to use it on, and I don't have a computer to install the server on, so that's on there. Want to learn how to self-host just a lot of stuff. Have my own, have basically what I would need at home. Yeah, if the internet does die, as long as I can still get power, I will be fine. I'm not really a survivalist. I do think solar panels would be a great thing to install if I had a place to install them at. I do not currently. Tulsa's, and it depends on which part of town where they're greener. We're transitioning kind of. I think solar panels are a great idea, but they're expensive. House down the street from us has them. I need to be very careful not to open Google Maps with y'all here. If I opened it on this computer, it'd be fine, but as I have a second. That's fine. What did I have open? Rust desk, okay, and Docker. I also want a machine for Docker. I want it to be dedicated. I don't have a good reason for that. Just seems like a good idea, just since I don't have a dedicated coding machine, it seems like a good idea to have a dedicated coding machine, and that's why I wanted the Linux machine as well. Maybe that's a dumb idea. You can let me know. Half an hour. If you're still here after half an hour, thank you for listening to me prattle on endlessly. I hope I at least have a soothing voice. Probably don't need this right now. Type correctly. Now we're going to go back to here. Small tools to automate tasks you or people around you do manually on a daily basis. Something quick, easy that actually has value instead of the, what is this number? 100,000th tic-tac-toe game. Agreed 100%, but I will recommend going into such projects prepared to abandon or at least postpone them early on if the project turns out to be much larger than you thought once you start actually doing it. That's interesting to me. I do actually have a thing that would make some tasks easier. It requires a lot of integration from other apps. But if I can consolidate it all into an email and then tell it where in the email to pull information from, that would be cool. I have a friend who knows how to do that already, and he was going to do it for me, but I kind of want to learn how to do it myself. Maybe he'll make an appearance. I doubt it. I doubt anyone except me is ever going to be on one of these videos. Maybe somewhere else. True. Also, is that your username or your password? Haha, both the username and password came from a password manager. Wasn't feeling very creative, but that's creative. I think that's fun. I think that's quite fun. Unironically not asking for beginner projects and starting to think of your own ideas. Great. So I need to learn how to use the syntax so I can do the thing from 0 to data engineer. I'm smarter than to click on that. I have ideas, but I lack knowledge to learn stuff. I'm a CS major user. Make a text file, write HTML, boom, done. Never said it needed features. That's funny. I think that's funny. So this can be a good idea if you have a base of what you want to do. If you are utterly useless and the only thing you're going to do is waste time. I need to not read silently. Programming, perhaps any good resources for learning to hook up Excel to Python and automating a bunch of tasks. That would definitely speed up my work productivity. Pandas does. I think that the tic-tac-toe game is actually great for beginners. You have to get creative with deciding to use addict values or matrix. Okay, we're gonna just add that. Tic-tac-toe. Does everyone know Portal? I don't remember why I can think of GLaDOS saying the game was tic-tac-toe. This is a game of tic-tac-toe 2. I have to find it now. Pardon my YouTube recommendations. Thanks, Internet. Okay, I know. I know it exists, but that's not why we're here. Okay. What is this? Gemini, Grammarly, ChatGPT. We're not going to use ChatGPT because I pay for Gemini. Yeah. It is 11:30. I am probably going to cut this pretty soon, even though I have done no coding. But we set up the Notion-ish. We kind of set up the Notion. It's set up enough. Do I need this? That's the other account. It's the right account, but I don't need it. Okay. Tic-tac-toe. We're actually just going to ask Gemini, do I? No, I still pay for it. I'm a very loud typer, I apologize. Ooh, okay. Okay, I did in fact want separate. Choice A. Okay. VMware. Firewall. PSSense, OpenSense, virtual machine. Access control of civil firewall rules, filter traffic. Snort. Tool like Wireshark, virtual network. Configuration backup, net, Mica, bulk command execution, simple command execution on all devices, output. Okay, nice. Harp scanner. Subnet calculator. Terminal chat application. Okay. Going to make a new chat that just asks about Python. Flash is fine. Simple games, number guessing games, Mad Libs generate. I like Mad Libs. It's not how you spell generator. It's how you say generator, but not how you spell it. Dice rolling. Okay. This sounds small. I say that because I should also do. I think I've built the number guessing game before, so I'm also going to call that small. Figure out AWS. This is going to be medium. Learn to type correctly. Tic-tac-toe, medium, that generator sounds medium. These help you practice the file utility tools, basic calculator, password generator, unit converter, data and files, to-do list application, email slicer, input instrument, separated using domain. Okay, file organizer. It's funny that like there's a whole Python script for if you just want your username to be your email, like whatever feature that, like sometimes you just are given a username and you have to change it later to your name or whatever username you want. The username just is your email. There's a whole script for that, and I can learn to write it, so I'm going to. Email slicer, small. I have it, I don't remember what it's called. The thing I'm talking about is the thing that you write the code in. I don't remember what that's called. I know I have it. I've used it. Not well, but I have used it. Ooh, I need to figure out aerospace too, but that will be another day. Any type is like Notion, it's just self-hosted, so really I should be using that, but I don't want to. For y'all's sake. I don't want y'all to learn a new thing. What is this called? I know I could Google it, but I'm stubborn. I know exactly what it looks like too. This is wild. I have Xcode, I think. I do have Xcode. I don't know if I want to deal with Xcode, because Xcode just feels really big. This menu bar is kind of crazy. Don't need that. No longer need that because I use Notion Mail. That's the wrong. This is a tangent. This is just me trying to fix my stuff. Okay, cool. Shouldn't be anything on there you can't see. Now I know that that's how I access that. It's just through there. Beat, I'll keep. Asana, I'll keep. ChatGPT, you can go away. Terminal, we need to keep. Don't need that. Probably should uninstall that actually. Steam, we'll keep that. Numbers, keep that. Xcode, we should not keep Xcode. We should keep the one that we're going to use. VSC, that's what it's called. Okay. Go away. Xcode, we're using VSC. Let me know if there's a better code writer, code compiler. It's not a compiler. Compiler or something else. Let me know if there's a better one of these I could use. We don't need Firefox. Don't need this to be sitting here. What else do I not need? Screen share. Not using it. I'm not gonna think about it now ever, but I'm not using it anyway. So, probably need to learn GitHub as well. I'm kind of aware of what it is a little bit. 1141. It's like a live stream without the interactivity, so it's actually a downgrade is what this video is. Why am I recording this video? Because I wanted to, I think. Yeah, I get to figure this out now. Here's VSC. I need to organize this down here because, okay, there's that. That's some of what I need for this. I'm also going to need Notion, which looks like it needs to be reinstalled, maybe. I might do that. Need Docker over here. Rust desk over here. Don't know why there's two instances. There's three. Okay, well, I'm not dealing with that. Goodbye. Just going to know that Rust desk exists, and don't open and log in. Brave over here. Sonic can stand over there. Okay, there we go. Also, if there is anyone else watching and you want to see me make a video on any of the other topics, I could probably. Nothing's stopping me. Just say what you want. I don't have a preference. This can all be here, right? Yes, this is all fine. I would have been very sad because I was gonna. You heard me say at the start, if this didn't work, I wasn't gonna do it. Just forgot where I was. So sorry. Show welcome page on start. Yes. Okay. VSC. What else do I need for Python programming? Where is my Gemini window? There you are. To do the application. I am going to do application. And I'm gonna build that application. Then I'm going to use that to keep track of what's happening per video. So that'll be fun. It's going to break my brain. GUI. Adding a graph, okay. That was the part where I do drugs to make sure I stay asleep. This is Benadryl. Unless you're from that part of the internet, and then it's diphenhydramine. Don't worry, I'm only doing one. This is the safe dose. Don't take all of these. There's a lot. I have no idea if this is illegal, actually. It just is time to take it. Actually, an hour ago was the time to take it, but I was still sitting here. Okay. I really should go. Nothing has happened. Which is tragic, but also that's fine. Took a while to set up. And considering that I was going to just do I have a game plan. I just need to decide which thing I'm doing first. That's what I'll do for the rest of this while this works its magic. I'm checking to make sure this is in fact diphenhydramine. It is in fact diphenhydramine. I try not to take this to sleep. Don't take it to sleep. I take it to stay asleep. I try not to do it often, but I've had a rough couple nights, so I'm doing it tonight. I'm deciding which of these things I'm going to call this first projects. About medium level effort. I don't need both of these, but I want to see. But this is also important. Okay. Oh, that's so fun. Okay, we are going to play with these. Non-code. Can I add an emoji to this? I literally just need to put an emoji with it. I don't know what to put there. We're just going to leave it as that for now. We're going to do networking, Python, edit property, change type to select. Might be wrong, but at the moment we're just doing it. Description. I just did that. I'm not worrying about that. What are we starting with? Rust desk server. So part of why I have this set up the way I do is because this is actually a laptop. And while the laptop never does go anywhere, I wanted to have the option of leaving without breaking everything. So that's why I have a whole mini network and multiple machines in question. I just want the option to take the laptop places. Not having a Linux machine to give me access easily in the way I want to is difficult. But I also haven't had any time to dedicate to this. I still don't, but I'm choosing to. Learn to type correctly. I think that's hilarious. Data services. How to host and connect to home lab. Please wrap in the view. Thank you so much. Email slicer. Except everyone uses something dumb like, oh, I am tired and being mean for no reason. This is really funny. The application will be used to keep track of her video tasks. Number guessing game should be easy. Dice rolling game, easy. needs to look pretty. My one computer science class I took, the professor liked pretty output, and my output was freaking gorgeous. I think. It was supposed to be gorgeous. Don't remember what actually happened. Mad Libs generator. More challenging. Tic-tac-toe. I'd be interested to see how that works. Notice the number of question marks on here. I also beginner Rust projects. Best way to learn it is building project and geo starting point. Here's the rest. Simple calculator, match, list manager. Currency converters, web server, web scraper. Okay. This is not Python. This is non-code. This is non-code. Rust server is in Rust. It's not what I said. I said Rust. Create. Rust. Instagram. I don't know what emoji to give it. I'll figure out emojis later. Non-code, kind of code. That's networking, isn't it? Networking, when I have to type correctly, is non-code. Tic-tac-toe, Python, Python, Python. Rust, Python. We're going to start with Python, then move on to Rust. We're just playing with stuff. I don't even know for how long I'm going to do this. I just know I'm wanting to learn stuff. And the best way to, as the Game Changer dude says, I can't remember it right now. It's almost midnight. Is midnight a good upload time for this? Probably not. Email slicer is Python. Number guessing game is also Python. By the way, you can just like grab and drag and it will turn all these the same thing. I just didn't think of that until this moment. To-do manager. Simple calculator. It's also Rust. Simple web server. I should figure out how to break into that old Optiflux I have. I don't know how to do that. If any of you know how to do that, please let me know. Midwest Code Boy. We're gonna see how long this lasts. I really have no plans or like overall ambitions for this. I just want to learn cool stuff. I think that's awesome. And I want other people to learn cool stuff. And I want to just do the thing. Just hit record. The guy from Think Media says just hit record. This is not even my field, and I'm just recording a video. I set it up so that I can't edit it. I could edit it, but I'm not going to. Which means you get to watch oh god, almost an hour. You know what? I'll be uploading an hour-long video. never going to do this late again. I say that. I'm going to do it at whatever time I need to keep my promise to myself, because promises you make to yourself are the really important ones. But yes. What am I doing on the next video? I think we can knock out a couple of the easy Python projects. So for the next video, let's see, I'm recording this on the 27th, 3 minutes before the 28th. I'm going to post it on the 28th. It's always going to be going up the next day. Just so that it can be at a consistent time, because I will not be at a consistent time. So October 29. October 29th, we're going to knock out number guessing game. Which means I won't get comments. I'll try to get comments. I can't promise. I work full time. I have a second Sunday job. I have friends, not a lot of friends, but like I have friends I work out almost every evening. So this may not actually this may not go anywhere. This may not do anything. I don't need the updated ad. I'm realizing I don't need that. Just more things to look at. All the colors need to be played with. Number guessing game. Dice rolling game. Email slicer. October 8. Today we did the video setup, planned our first projects. Those are both done. Maybe that was a better way to go. Whatever. I can always turn it into that. It's just sitting there. Oh wow, this Benadryl's really hitting me. Or the tea, it's probably the chamomile tea. I need to just find an out point at this point. Okay, 28th is the one that's airing. So 29 is the next one. I think call that medium because I know that that requires more stuff. So the order of the next video, we're going to do the number guessing game, email slicer, dice rolling game, and to do application. Maybe, I think we're at least going to start the to do application. We're going to see what happens. Codeboy videos project. So this way is going to work backwards. Is this it? Yeah, this is what I want. I think. Move to trash. Books. Property. Don't really need an author. Okay, so if I open this in okay. So this will be our documentation hub. Delete. Do the never mind. Okay. So, new page. It's going to be a documentation hub. This is basically where we're going to keep all of our stuff, keep all of our notes on the projects. What's in a pets? New tech spec. Make templates, purity. Goals, non-goals, proposed session plan. Okay. Add a property. Relation to Midwest Cowboy videos. Add a relation. Okay. Tags. Figure that out. Any more properties I need? Don't need status. Don't need a button. In certain instances I would need an IP address, but I don't need that for right now. So, don't know what that is. Okay. So, as we build things, we'll put them here. I think we'll end up attaching the file here, as long as they're small enough. Yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna work on these things tomorrow. So it's midnight. I think my brain works a lot slower than it does hour 4. You know what? I was going to not make a full hour video, and I made a full hour video. I did the work I said I was going to do. That's really what we're doing here, is we are keeping promises to ourselves, because yesterday I promised myself, today we keep that promise. So good night, or good morning, or good afternoon. Have a great day, or have a great sleep wherever you are. Is midnight a good time? Is that a good time? 10 p.m.? I don't know. What time do people need a random dude in a weird hoodie or weird outfit of some type to hang out and just be stupid? I don't know the proper time of that, but yeah, we're gonna figure out when that is. See ya.